Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Today's video is about our ride to Gandikota via Belum caves, which is in Andhra Pradesh. So this ride is not a solo one. This ride is with my extended family, which is the riders of Bangalore. So ROB has planned this ride and organized this one. So we are moving along with them. So we are a group of riders who are heading towards this Gandikota and we'll be enjoying for this weekend. Our journey started from Bangalore and the first stop was at Belum Caves, which is around 310 kilometers from Bangalore. From there, we will move towards Gandikota, which is another 60 kilometers from Belum Caves. So the initial plan is we will halt for some tea, coffee, then we will move towards Belum Caves and we will have our lunch over there. And from there, we will start our journey to Gandikota. The roads were absolutely beautiful and blissful to ride, and the ride became more enjoyable just because we were in a group of ROB. The outside temperature was kind of hot and humid, but it didn't affect us just because we were riding and cruising along the highway. Our first destination, Belum Caves, is pretty much important and very interesting. Important because it is the second largest cave system on the Indian subcontinent. And interesting because this entire cave was formed over the course of tens of thousands of years with a constant flow of underground water. One cannot imagine it from outside that this underground cave stretches up to 10,593 feet. We explored the cave and we enjoyed it very much. But you have to be careful just because as deeper as you go, the air becomes very much thick, the ventilation is kind of restricted, and there is hot and humid conditions in the deeper parts of the cave. As we continue with the video, I would like to state that please subscribe to this channel as it motivates me to make such more videos and to bring more contents for you guys. Apart from some stretches, the entire cave is well lit and well ventilated. They have tried to maintain ventilation wherever they can, but the entire cave is very well maintained and one can enjoy this scenic beauty of nature. After exploring Belum caves and having our lunch, it was our time to head towards our final destination, which is Gandikota. Gandikota is around 60 kilometers from Belum Caves, which took us around 1.5 hours to reach. And by the time we reached Gandikota, it was evening, and the temperature was kind of hot than compared to the rest of the places in Gandikota. But the entire stretch to Gandikota was very beautiful, very scenic. We enjoyed a lot riding over these places and plains. After reaching our hotel, we got freshened up, and by the time it was sunset, we reached to the sunset viewpoint, which is near the cliff. Over there, you will find all the tents. People who are willing to stay their night in tents are being accommodated over there. It is very beautiful just by the cliff. One can experience nature at its peak. This place feels magical. It is amazing. It is grand. It is huge, and it is amazingly beautiful. And watching sunset from here is just another experience one should always have. Well, it is believed that these formations were formed by underground water. So, at one point of time, this entire place was beneath the ocean. After enjoying the breathtakingly beautiful sunset, we went to a hotel, had our dinner, had some little bit chit chat with the ROV gang, and then we went off to sleep. Next morning, we visited the cliff again, saw the sunrise, and then we moved to the fort from where you can find another breathtakingly beautiful view of the Grand Canyon of India. This viewpoint offers another angle to the canyon, and it is truly beautiful and amazing to watch. You can also explore the fort, which is amazingly beautiful, and spend some time over here. So, friends, that's all for today. We'll catch up in the next one. Please subscribe and show some support so that I can bring some more contents to you, and we will keep exploring these places together. Thanks for being in the journey. Take care, guys.